In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to suppress contacts in Klaviyo in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing email lists for a business or want to ensure that your communications are as targeted as possible, understanding how to suppress contacts in Klaviyo is a handy skill. Suppressing contacts can help you maintain clean lists by excluding those who shouldn't receive your emails, such as unsubscribers or inactive users. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can implement it efficiently. First, you'll want to log into your Klaviyo account. This is your control center where all your email marketing data lives, so go ahead and access it using your usual login credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. It's time to navigate to the specific audience feature. Look towards the left sidebar. Here you'll see various options, but for this purpose, click on Audience and then select Profiles. This section hosts all your contact profiles, and it's where you can manage individual profiles, including the suppression we're going to perform. With your profile section open, the next step is to identify the specific contact you need to suppress. You can do this by using the search bar at the top. Enter the name or email address of the contact you're looking for. It's a quick way to filter through the list instead of scrolling manually. Once you've found the contact, click to open their profile to access their detailed information. Now that you have the contact's profile open, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper portion of this page where you'll find the Profile Actions button. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu showing various actions you can take. From this menu, select Suppress Profile. This action is crucial as it effectively flags the contact's profile as one that should not receive further emails. The final task here is the confirmation step. After clicking Suppress Profile, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm this action. This step is critical as it ensures that the suppression is intentional and helps to avoid any accidental removals. Upon confirming, the profile will be successfully suppressed, meaning they will no longer receive emails from your campaigns. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've learned how to suppress contacts in Klaviyo, helping you handle your email list more effectively. Whether it's maintaining compliance with regulations or simply ensuring your marketing efforts reach the right audience, understanding how to leverage the suppression feature is invaluable. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide was both helpful and informative. Don't forget to check back for more tutorials to enhance your digital marketing strategies.